Have you ever wondered how to take proper care of the lenses on your thermal? I'm James from Thomas Jack's support team, and here's a 1-minute guide on lens care that might just extend the life of your thermal. The most essential piece of kit you'll need: a little blower or a can of air from the pound shop. Either of these will blow away debris like dust and dirt so it can't scratch the lens surface. For anything more stubborn, use a soft brush, lens pen or a cotton bud with a few tufts pulled out to gently dislodge the dirt, blowing as you go. Only now is it safe to gently rub the lens, and the only thing that you should use is a clean, dry lens cloth. If you need to, you can wash them in the washing machine. Now, greasy fingerprints, they need a little more care, and for that you need some isopropyl alcohol, also called IPA. You can buy pure IPA in bottles for a few pounds online, which you can gently apply with a tufted cotton bud, or use IPA screen wipes just as long as they're lint free. If necessary, give lenses a quick wipe with a lens cloth, but as a general rule, to preserve the life of the lens coating, keep any rubbing to a minimum. So avoid applying any pressure and don't rub the lenses too often. If you're out in the field and your lens is dirty, don't use your shirt. Leave it till you get home if you can, or use a clean lens cloth if you're completely confident that the lens is completely free of debris. If you like this video, share it, give us a comment, or for more 1-minute tips from me, James at Thomas Jack's, click on the I or subscribe.